Today we are going to show you the best OBD2 scanner you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best OBD2 scanner for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you the best tech products which you can buy now. In this video, we'll be covering OBD2 scanner, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The Launch CRP123X Elite feels like a gaming machine in the hand yet can ferret out pesky problems with your car. While its cable can't reach from the car's interior to the engine bay, the CRP123 Pro offers a lot for a modest price tag with an excellent assortment of diagnostic tests and the ability to turn off the oil change light. A crossover device that should appeal equally to driveway DIYers and professional mechanics, the CRP123 goes beyond the expected tasks, like a pre-inspection I/M readiness test and showing the car's vehicle identification number, VIN. It was able to run a complete set of diagnostic tests on everything from the car's catalytic converter and oxygen sensor to anti-lock brakes and airbags. It can also reset the oil change light as well as adjust the steering wheel angle. Number 4. The MOTOP OBD2 is best. If you only need an OBD2 scanner to read engine codes, the MOTOP is your best bet. It is low cost, easy to use, fast, and reliable. The downside of this scanner is that reading engine codes is all that it can do. It cannot clear engine codes. To turn off your check engine light. Practical Multifunctions OBD2 code reader features built-in OBD2 DTC lookup library, which help you to determine the cause of the engine light, read code, erase code, view freeze frame, I/M ready, vehicle information, data flow, real-time curve, get vehicle speed information, calculate load value, engine coolant temperature, get engine speed. Number 3. The AUTOMAXICOM is a fantastic all-rounder for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its advanced functionality and user-friendly interface make this a very popular scanner. The Wi-Fi connectivity is a valuable addition for beginner mechanics and DIY enthusiasts as it enables you to learn as you work. The Maxicom is the reliable and fast solution to understanding your car's needs. Auto also have unparalleled customer service, with fast replies and support. The AUTOMAXICOM MK808 is not a basic, entry-level scanner, it also caters to more advanced and special functions. I was impressed by its capability to read and erase error codes, perform an oil reset, monitor the health status of the vehicle itself and perform special services. In addition, it performs all OBD2 functions and performs special functions like the oil reset service, BMS service, EPB reset, TPMS service, SAS, IMMO, DPF service, and ABS brake bleeding. Additionally, this code reader has the ability to diagnose and suggest remedies for all systems such as brake system, emission system, light system, fuel system, ABS, engine, SRS, wiper system, transmission, etc. Number 2. The Blue Driver sensor will work on pretty much any vehicle with an OBD2 port. OBD2 is a standardized system, a bit like USB for computers, that ensures there is one universal connector that all vehicles can use. Basically, any car built in the last 20 years will almost certainly have OBD2 functionality. If you are dealing with an older vehicle, the Blue Driver product will probably not work. You can search something like vehicle name with "does it have an OBD2 port" to see what comes up. We also suggest that you look around and under the dash, and in the engine bay, as these places are usually where the OBD2 port is located. The Blue Driver setup process is by far the easiest of all of the scanners and apps we have tested to date. It really is as simple as plugging the device in, connecting Bluetooth and then opening up the app and hitting connect. Red light will go blue when everything is all set up. It got all the info from the cars we tested it on and even got the VIN correct. Other OBD2 scanners and apps we have tested, including the FIXD1, required us to go and find the VIN and/or enter the details of the vehicle, make, model, etc. Number 1. The Inova 5610 CarScan Pro is a feature-rich scan tool that helps technicians find and fix problems more efficiently, says the company. More than a standalone tool, it includes access to Inova's Repair Solutions 2 knowledge base of 60 million plus verified fixes. Users get vehicle-specific inspection reports with fixes, guided diagnostics, and troubleshooting information. Advanced features include oil life, brake pad life, battery voltage, TPMS status, and live data. Fixes for body and chassis codes and full network scan results are available for supported vehicles. Factory and NHTSA recalls, TSBs, service maintenance, and predictive diagnostics help shops alert customers of potential issues. All of the best OBD2 scanner are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which OBD2 scanner would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.